Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of high-performance upgrades for your favorite remote-controlled vehicles. If you're an enthusiast of the SCX24 or just getting started, you're in for a treat because we're going to talk about the best SCX24 driveshaft currently on the market. The OGRC center driveshaft for the axial SCX24 Jeep Gladiator, model AXI00005. This driveshaft isn't just a mere upgrade, it's a game-changer. Designed specifically for the SCX24 Jeep Gladiator, it offers enhanced durability and performance, making your already incredible off-road experience even better. So, let's dive into what makes the OGRC center driveshaft stand out. First off, let's talk about the build quality. The OGRC driveshaft is constructed from high-quality steel, which means it's built to withstand the rigors of off-road adventures. No more worrying about bending or braking on uneven terrain. This driveshaft is as tough as they come. One of the highlights of this product is its precision engineering. The driveshafts are designed to fit seamlessly with your SCX24. Installation is straightforward, making it easy to upgrade your vehicle without needing advanced mechanical skills. Just follow the straightforward instructions provided, and in no time, you'll have your SCX24 powered up with this robust driveshaft. Now, let's see this beauty in action. As you can see, the flexibility and precision of the OGRC driveshaft allow for great movement across a variety of terrains, whether you're scaling rocky inclines or navigating through mud. You'll notice right away that the responsiveness is significantly improved. This is due to the solid construction, ensuring that every revolution of the wheel translates directly into motion with minimal loss of power. Look at how smoothly it handles those rugged paths. The stability provided by this driveshaft enhances overall control, amplifying your ability to tackle even the toughest obstacles. Plus, the improved torque transfer means you can expect better acceleration and power as you power through those challenging terrains. And let's not forget the aesthetics. The OGRC driveshaft not only performs exceptionally well, but it also adds a sleek, professional look to your SCX24. It's designed with a modern touch that complements the rugged looks of the Jeep Gladiator, making it a perfect fit in terms of style and performance. In conclusion, the OGRC center driveshaft for the axial SCX24 Jeep Gladiator is undoubtedly the best choice for anyone looking to enhance their off-roading experience. With its robust design, easy installation, and noticeable performance benefits, this driveshaft truly takes your RC adventure to the next level. Whether you're a hardcore hobbyist or just looking to get more out of your weekend rides, this upgrade is sure to impress. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more detailed product critiques. As always, thank you for watching Product Critique. Now, get out there and tackle those trails with confidence.